now.
Hello, Velos, the number one.
80 miles, only 20 more miles to go.
17.
Okay, 17.
Yeah.
They all count.
17.
When you went
Here's
this far.
I'm making a little video. I'll post it too. Look, everybody's upright. They're on their feet. That's good. Look, he's even smiling. That's crazy.
All right.
Okay, we'll see y'all at the look at poor Carla. I'm so proud of her. Look at her. This will be for the grandkids I'm videoing. Grandkids, look what your Grammy did. We're so proud of her. Yes, we're too old for, but I guess not, because look, you're here. Okay.
Wedding. It's a hot one too.
Video. There's some. Yeah. Woohoo! Where'd Tim go?
12 miles per hour.
Coming from the south.
Hello, me. See all the people behind me. That's a good sound. Woo! It's just a little video clip I'm going to put on.
Okay.
Hope it is.
And look, everybody's alive.
That was an air.
Hello, you. Hi. Okay, Tracy, give a wave. I'm going to turn this off. No, Tracy, give a wave. Just wave. Okay.